Downloading Netflix movie to watch it for later on your laptop is a pretty simple thing to do. In this video, I will be showing you how to exactly do it. So first thing first, I have provided the link of the Netflix in the description below. So if you want to check out the Netflix, all you have to do is to click on the link. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. In order to download and watch the movies for offline, what you have to do is to open up the Netflix application, browse all TV shows and movies available for the download. So how you can go to this option. So how you can find the available movies for the download. So once you go to your account, just go to the available for download option right over here. So once you do it, you will be able to see the videos and the movies that are available to be downloaded. So after that, uh, select a TV show or movie you want to download onto your device. For movies, and select download like over here. So just go and tap on the download button. Once you do it, your downloadation will begin. So that way you will be able to watch the movies even when you are offline. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.